Hello everyone. So in this video we'll start with level 8 to level 9. We got the password for the level 8 in level 7. So we'll have to get in to level 8 through password in level 7. I have already logged in here through the SSH command, and we'll see what is the password for the next level. You need to see the password for the next level is stored in the file data.txt, and this in the only line of text that occurs only once. So you need to find the line that occurs only once. That means there are some of the commands that you may need to follow. That is grep sort unique strings in base 64. Let's try our own logic first, and let's get into the other sort of techniques if we are not successful. Okay, so first we list there is only data.txt file here, so we need to find a unique thing. So one of the important tool is sort. So sort, you can use it, and also another thing is unique. That's also a good tool. So I think here the pipeline of both is required, because sorts the line by line, and the unique picks up the line which is unique one. So let's get started. So let's sort and data.txt, and let's put a pipeline and unique hyphen u. So seems like we got the password for the next thing. Let's verify it, whether the password we got is correct or not. So we'll go open a new tab over here, and we'll check. So we'll make this 8 as 9 and hit enter. Let's copy the password here which we got now from the room 8 or level 8, and let's paste it over here. Okay, so we are in. That means the password we got here is legit, and you can use this command to get the unique password. This sorts the thing, and this is a unique password which you get. There are many other methods, like you can use only unique, and there are many other ways to do this technique, but I think this is one of the easiest thing which you can rely on, and it is also easy to remember. And we can go to our level 9 here. Okay, then here in level 9 it says that the password for the next level is stored in a file data.txt as usual in one of the few human readable strings preceded by several equals characters. So here there are two hints. One, it says that the password is in few human readable strings, which is an important thing to notice, and preceded by several equal characters. The thing is, in CTF tournaments, we need to look for the solution which is quick, reliable, and also which is easy to use. And the thing is, if you use only one command, so for example, to find if you rely on finding a very few human readable strings, and then you can find out the password through that. So you can use a tool called XXD. So we can do XXD data.txt and hit enter. It shows a number of characters, and it shows all the characters what and all is there. You can see it in hexadecimals, and you can see it in strings also, whatever is there. But the thing is, you won't get a proper flow whether the password you are getting is proper or not. And even though if you are able to identify the password, it takes a lot of time. So one of the best techniques for that is to get started with what you call as sorting here. So you can see here, you can put it as cat data.txt and put a pipeline over here, and you need to find grep. So with the grep command, it says that it is preceded by several equal to characters. That is, in the sense, it starts with several equal to characters. So you can type 2 equal to characters over here and end with the star, which says that whatever after the 2 equals to signs are to be ignored. So then you can close the double quotes and hit enter. Sorry, this is not the password, I guess. This is not the technique, I guess. So you can use data.txt over here and hit enter. It still says that there is nothing. We'll look towards it about what the mistake is going on here. So the alignment is wrong, I guess, here. So you can use grep and double quotes inside which we are writing equals to and 1 star, and at the end data.txt. So here there is strings, so you can use strings also here. This is I had done previously before explaining. So I tried here whether I can use the cat command to do the same, but I think it's not possible. So to get to know whether the we need to get to know whether the password we are getting is legit or not. So we can't rely on cat. So to see readable format strings, you need to use strings as the tool. Strings as tool and data file.txt and then grep it. So here we get the password here. The password is this. So we got our password to the next level, that is level 10. We'll go here and then we'll log on to that. I'll copy paste the password here and get into the level 10. So in level 10, the password for next level is stored in the file data.txt, which contains base64 encoded data. Let's see how base64 encoded data looks like first. So we'll search for it. First we need to look whether we have base64 tool here. Guess we have it. Let's give it a shot by typing base64 dot something. So first let's view what is there in data file. So we got this. So the base64 we need to do let's copy this and you can type it over here. Okay. Here, as you can see, this is something called as, it is encoded form of base 64 which we got here on terminal. So we need to decode it. To decode it, either you can use it as a what you call on the terminal itself, or you can go here and use the base 64 decoder, which here we get as password from base 64 as this. So okay, we are done with level 10 and we have obtained the password for level 11. So in next video, let's see how we can go to the level 11 and solve further problems. Thank you for watching.